Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your devices are on the same Apple ID and Find My is active because that allows tracking. Once confirmed, open Find My and select your AirPods Pro Max. This is the control center. If they're nearby, play a sound to narrow the search quickly. If not, note the last known location on the map and the timestamp. Make sure to move toward the last ping slowly, listening and scanning. Small movements often reveal them. Once you've got a map point, switch to precision. Play sound first because hearing confirms proximity. If unreachable, enable lost mode to lock and display contact info. This deters misuse and helps finders return them. Next, use directions to navigate to the last ping. Remember, Bluetooth range is roughly 10 m, so get close and scan systematically. Also check the offline finding option. Your AirPods may report via other Apple devices, so revisit places you were earlier. When you locate them, approach slowly, play another sound to pinpoint, then disable lost mode and immediately test connections so you know everything works. If they remain missing, mark as lost, note the serial number, and consider filing a police report. Serials help with recovery. If found but not connecting, reset the AirPods Pro Max and repair. Make sure firmware is current because updates fix connectivity issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.